Okay.
Okay, you the praise her. Say the thing when you do so, you know if you don't. No, I want me you to use your mouth to talk her.
Okay.
Like you the.
I for your wife. I said thank you for all you do every time. I say I said I will talk to you for back. I don't like the way it's not still be shot for her. Like I said.
Cancelo, où est Roronu? Cancelo, stay one place. Sit down where? Open your toto door, may sit down where? Cancelo, open your toto, may sit down where? Où est Roronu? When are they listening?
Okay, I will talk to you for back. I don't like the way it's not still be shot for her. Like I said, it's okay to have different opinions. You didn't support easy, she supported easy. And yes, I supported easy initially. I said yes, human trafficking is not an easy thing.
Christ.
I supported it like
Why can you human trafficking can I even
it's healthy. It's I love
my people, human trafficking don't enter this matter. Cancelo! That's how I carry my microscope. My microscope, I will carry up this Cancelo. This Cancelo, I will watch with my microscope. Now let in how are the war since before I come up for here. Cancelo, I will use my microscope to watch you. Me not go bless it. Essay down. Yeah, boy, Cancelo. Me not go be say essay down. So baby we do. Cancelo, you are not hearing me. Cancelo, which community for be Cancelo? Wanna tell me? I bet more than the right time. Which community for be Cancelo? Don't Cancelo at the village on Cancelo. Which village for be Cancelo? More than the right time for comment section. I want to hear. Cancelo. Which village for be Cancelo? Yeah, do. Make una right hand there. I say for Esan. Okay, Esan. Which local government for Esan? What am I? In Winnere community. Winnere community Cancelo. Cancelo. Lare. Say that Tinubu village. Tinubu village. Lare. How she? Canada village. Cancelo. Which village you from? They do Cancelo. Uma tell me my village. You know Cancelo. If we open your book. Cancelo. If we open your book, you know, it's a bandit Cancelo. A bandit, you know. Well, that tell me where they do Cancelo. Cancelo Waroronu. You are not a moderator, you are not a gifter. Gifter not a winning moderator. A gifter cause they do moderator work. Gifter cause they tell moderator if I'm the moderator I cannot do this kind of work. Larry. A gifter is different from a moderator. Right? A gifter is different from PA. If you are a gifter, your respect is different from the respect of a PA or moderator. You are a gifter. You are promoting the platform, promoting what we are doing. That is why you came as a gifter. But am I understanding a big gifter way? Let's go. Who fed the listing?
I say yes, human trafficking is not an easy thing.
Christ.
I supported it like everybody is about to say it's healthy. It's allowed to have different opinions. But you say let him come apologize. Not say forgive because I think well, forgiving your own opinion is still I said no apologize. He said
everybody power tap, let's go.
Okay. You say anything you want, but that's okay, don't worry. I don't see you want to go to school or whatever. And anytime you say, it must be maternity, I don't know what's the because now their children are the cause. They are not fearful. So these two big commenters, I know that I'm used to say that I thought one bad thing there.
Madam Cancelo.
Yeah.
Madam Cancelo.
Have I offended you in any way?
We are not going to answer this kind of question. We are not going for caller. Madam Cancelo. Have I offended you in any way? Before you know you answer that question. Cancelo! I say no bad way we do. I will page you where we also open your page. I say no bad way we do. You know you say Cancelo. Have I offended you in any way? You know you end up being what? Enogie, don't come back me. Oh, have I offended you in any way? When I listen, about time.
Madam Counselor,
Yeah.
have I offended you in any way?
Okay.
When before?
No. Not even before or now.
Did they
Have I ever offended?
Did they ask you they say before? That means you they say before. That means you ain't not get crap before. Counselor. You say before. He's asking you, have I offended you? You say before. I'm not listening.
Have I offended you in any way?
When before?
No, not even before or now. Have I ever offended you in any way?
Thank you, Big Lady J. Only one Big Lady.
Because Iyawo complain to you as another sister to her, and you dey let Iyawo dey know say the work when you dey do they follow me. Say you no go fit do am, follow me if na you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Everything you face. Yes.
Better Lady J.
I was not saying, thank you for all you do. You know this.
A Lady J no wake big.
Also commenters. Read them. I say not mind those commenters. You know. Thank you for all you do. Yes.
Share the last my lovers. Why?
Okay,
Only one Lady J. You too much. Let's go.
Yes. So that when they say I saw children, I'm not going to punish them.
No, it's not true man to my children.
Big Lady J.
No, it's not true man to my children.
Big Lady J. One of the follower, I beg. All my lovers, please, anybody that gift me, continue to follow that person. Give him a follow. Please, give the person a follow. Make him know say, now God will continue to bless him. Thank you, Big Lady J. I bet one of your follower for me. All my gifters, make sure soon I give them a follow. Onibe, Rene. Onibe la no see this platform and your platform be this so. Onibe, this platform, you join people who get this platform, oh. You join people who get this platform. Wa can view bonia, fe ko bi agbinya kere ni TikTok ni e ya mama fo wa. Ni TikTok ya mama fo wa. La Onibe, ime. Onibe, only one Onibe in the building. Not pokwe Onibe, okay rani ya. Dare, akpokwe Onibe me. Akpokwe Onibe, you want me to fall out? Onibe, it's your koye ya. And God will bless you, la Onibe la. This is not your platform. I beg. Now moderator na your friend. Are you again with moderator who were kicking? Who you come? Say moderator ya Onibe. I'm begging you. Now the me who real upper kicking the moderator me. If my moderator me come here the corner back. Onibe, we are begging you. Now your platform be this. Wesley, let's go. Let's go.
No, it's not true man to my children.
I beg the name of God.
No, it's not true man to my children.
Okay. If you never follow us, give us a follow. Or you will miss. Give us a follow. This matter will see the end.
So the boss said, I said, I'm not a job cross and I go say, when I go, my Mr. donation, you go donation for. And go make a motion. We're going to have to also make a motion. We're going to do your own. Maybe go to action. You make you go for them. About this here. If you go
Thank you, exception. Only one exception. Exception with everybody connect with exception. Anybody show us love for this platform, when I they connect with her. Please, anybody show us love, connect with that person, and God will bless you now. What we say? Let's go.
If you go the go part, prepare the center part of the outside part of the prepare. You don't say make one maintain it to equal to. So the side parts,
can you bring me up? You get what to say? Imosi. Oh yeah, Imosi, come quick talk to us. Imosu, Gimagwan, Zegi.
Good morning.
Now to not clear where? You not clear. Talk I say you talk.
you want me to talk? I
Talk
want to
like
contribute.
who you need to finish.
002 for a
Hey,
reason.
what? What?
I think contribute.
Continue.
Okay. Wait till I get to talk for this matter. Nah, E&O, Counselor, and Aisha. You understand? The three of them, they are wrong. You understand?
Okay.
If Counselor,
May I tell you one thing? You say the three of them are wrong. Use one. You start from E&O, start from Counselor, come tell us Aisha. Tell us how they take wrong, three of them. One by one.
okay, how they take wrong, be say Counselor,
First start with
they
E&O. First start with
Enogie
E&O.
platform.
First start with E&O.
E&O.
Yeah, thank you,
Bros,
session.
if I start with E&O now, na fit drop me because what I they try to talk now, E&O never reach for them to they put E&O come here. May I tell you the reason why?
Fair
Should I
wait,
tell you
which
the
trap it
reason
be?
why?
Fair wait. Wait, which trap it be?
I be Benin
Mose?
girl. I'm Benin.
Okay. Who you want first
Should
to
I
start?
tell you the? May I start with E&O?
Who you want
The
first to
reason
start?
why I talk
Okay.
be say, Counselor fooled herself, made a fool of herself by going to E&O for them to come the
Your
gossip.
section.
You understand?
We are hearing you.
Yes. Then, if not be say Counselor put herself down for E&O not go they abuse her husband or whatever she talks say E&O they do. So at the end of the day, na Counselor still carry wetin they call am voice note abi wetin she carry come out, come give Enogie, may Enogie play when E&O never even do anything. You understand? That is guilty conscience. She dey fear.
Mama International. You know, Coco, I greet you. See, you know why E&O, you know why Counselor quit bring her? Because E&O, where they follow that they talk for corner, E&O will come live video, he will come back as saint. E&O will come to behave like saint. So now make us for the fear now.
Bros,
E&O
not behave like saint. You understand? The reason why E&O must have called her a snitch was because she was with E&O, then later now went back to Enogie. You understand? That should be the reason why.
I'm went to the walao. I'm went to the market.
Madam, you know what you dey talk? Madam, why you gonna talk like this? Who start all this issue? Not be E&O. Why una go dey be like this now? Una go see truth, una go dey bend now. How person go dey use good mind for you? Carry everybody as one. They'll go back, go dey create WhatsApp group. Who does that? Now una get the platform.
Okay. The person when are the talk.
Even the Counselor self, I don't know what the counsel. Now even be the worst person for them. Yesterday when Enogie they play the voice notes, he no allow Enogie play am because he know say he dey guilty. If Enogie play one, he go call. Enogie play one, he go come. And then you no go waste more your voice notes. At the end of the day, he can't go delete the voice notes. Who give you that order? I don't understand who you be. Now you say everything give Enogie. Enogie they play am now. You can't go delete some. Me Enogie not play am again because you know say if Enogie play that voice note deep, he go know everything. When you talk for it back, which kind of friendly friend be this? Enogie go on platform, they make everybody they laugh. Even if you say you dey vex, if you dey look Enogie live screen, you go all get joy for nowhere. Una go dey say pie, even the Counselor. For back, una go dey create just let WhatsApp group.
They want scatter that platform. They want scatter
Which
that
kind be that
platform.
one now?
Thank you. So
They want
bless you.
scatter.
I know from the day one say
Wait.
Now they want scatter
You
Enogie
still talk. Wait,
platform. They
make
don't
you
know
no
say.
talk.
Now good afternoon. They don't know say Enogie they come from Facebook. Ogbe Sena. Yeah, man, with Facebook, Enogie kede. They want scatter the platform. They will go pump their own. See and fo, Counselor, the other one.
Let me talk about what you call her. See her.
See and
See and
fo.
fo.
See and fo.
They look come on. You say see and fo.
He name
See
na
and
see
fo.
and fo.
Where you come on?
See and
They
fo.
look come on. Continue. See and fo. What are
Na
that?
see
See
and
and
fo.
fo.
See
Okay.
and fo. He wants scatter a no get platform. After they don't scatter the councillor, I don't know where he carry councillor, whether na village or whether na I don't know where he be councillor. They speak big
So say na
English.
So say na Tinubu village. What thing number one?
Make them cut here, go give
We
them.
don't know where.
Councillor,
Where for the top of
councillor, see and fo. You know they let no get the talk. You know get go talk one, he go talk 30. No be he get the platform. See and fo. May you take time. See you guys. Bye bye.
You don't come on. Don't see un peu la conversation. See un peu. Now you don't bien ouais. Il y a un de la vidéo. Everybody will rest see un peu.
See and fo. Na be name. No here. See and fo.
Okay. Let's see. Big Lady J, talk to us. Big Lady J, unmute yourself and talk to us.
Una dey hear me?
Yeah, God bless you. We dey hear you.
Okay. Una good morning. Abi good
Good
afternoon.
morning.
This matter, no one will not get fault for all of them. You understand? Because the only place when we for blame A and O, the only place now when you can go the screenshot that gift, where that line where Aisha give Enogie, you can go the screenshot am. Even though say you talk say na
Not
because
be,
of
Big Lady J, listen, not be only that one screenshot too. He still tell Aisha say make Aisha not the gift Enogie again. Thank you, TikTok queen. He say make Aisha
na
not the
only
gift
that
Enogie
one.
again.
No, e no
Listen, my
suppose
sister.
make tell
He
am.
say if Aisha want give person, make go the give TikTok king. He said because people where TikTok where Aisha they look for, the kind customer where Aisha they look for, he said the sister not people they look Enogie, all that dumb. They're not decide there. He said the one where they look.
Na only that part.
Listen, my sister, Big Lady J. I won't give
Kidebo,
you
my
left
darling.
play for TikTok for this matter well. He said the one where they look TikTok king, 3,000 plus where they look TikTok king. He said now there, now the customer of Asha Day. So inside the sisters the way they watch Enogie, Asha not get customer there. Imagine the
No,
cockability.
na only that part. Na make me talk and say na only that part. That me not
My
like.
sister, only this question thing. Your bless, say, my
Okay, wait.
sister. Your bless, say, person go to chop your husband. You go to tell say now only your husband your chop. How you will feel?
Wait, make I talk now. You wait now. See,
Okay.
that part say she can't go the screenshot because when you deal with a part, you don't tell and say TikTok king they do all those things. You understand? So when you can't come out, you can't go they do that kind of thing. It's not good. Yeah, oh, now let that even though say that part where you just do you know you run for there, not like you, my sister. Don't say me like you, but what wrong you run here? It's okay, man, my sister. Say
Abeg,
get
Mona
up next
give me.
time.
No be me say me see her own go dey lie.
You
Mona
no go
give
come away
me.
mudia.
See her own. And whether na see her phone. Mona give.
So iye nara wo no opinion.
My man that will come up.
So that part even because why doge party
Pardon mo. You look
Yeah,
Why
the
don't
man
they-
already
that
give
is how.
you. The woman wey dey
Iye
share
nara
the
mudia
house.
ni zege.
Àwọn ọmọ.
Ni zege go.
Àwọn ọmọ náà ti rẹ̀ kún.
The
Èmi
woman
yà
wey dey
yẹ
shake
kó.
everywhere o. The man that wey dey shake everywhere o. Dey shake
Iye nara
everywhere
mudia ni
o.
zege go.
The priest dey talk, mama no no hear
Ele
again
je va
o.
ti we ti ga mu e ba ko mo mu e ko. Ti mu mu e ba ko o to mo si mo mu e ko.
Anime.
Because the other phone we ya low. I don't know. Ni me ya ti we na be am me.
O ma ni mute lu gun mo.
Okay. So a party ni I suppose because you already come up for there. You understand? So if you come to do that kind of thing, go be like say you dey betray the part. I don't want a part the verse for. I don't want I no get the verse for. What they even to do I betray the no, you're not supposed to make you do that kind of thing at all. Even though say because a counselor or my dad counselor, what's the name of my dad on? You deal with a part, you with a part not the quarrel. A part not offend you. Come out, you just follow when you are gossip, if you look the gossip, a counselor will gossip again. Wage. Also, the in how not to a more way because he had that little man way. If you want to respect yourself, you don't suppose me you go to do that kind of thing. You understand? Why me not run following you? Then I'll come go the gossip with you. If you see all the gossip, now you even talk, and now you gossip a purpose. You this counselor. What the gossip is who way? We gossip, but all who work too much is and you call yourself say, and because when we not say the man, I'm more counselor. A counselor na a friend, na a pa friend. If it's a pa no quarrel, now na a commot, and now you even give me a whole idea. Now then yaka we nurse. So you the invest for a pa right on time, then a counselor. When you make them a dead boy, they know they will never buy a daily time. Now sister, you be bad person, a counselor. Wow, the real bad person or a matter now. You understand? Because a gift in what did they call her? A gift in Aisha ya money pa. No money that no money to buy her. Even though say she invest, say she don't want gift to buy again, she come later change the mind, come go gift. And the man you because sign what? You understand? So when I get matter now, a counselor wrong is say.
See I'm for wrong. See I'm for wrong.
Get some wrong.
Mama, may I ask lady?
See I'm for wrong.
Big Lady J, may I ask
And
you a
anyway,
question?
okay.
Big Lady J, may I ask you a question? Wait, who did? Leave that copy alone.
Okay.
See, may I ask you a question? Lady J, for example, now. Hello.
I dey hear you.
Lady J, they hear me?
Man, beautiful because noise dey where I dey. I dey do my name.
Okay.
Man,
Let
beautiful.
big
Mute my
lady
ass.
J whenever give
Let me
to
go come
her.
on.
See
That is
I'm
second
for.
sir. Let me go come on. Wait.
You get what I will before suffer.
You don't go come on. Let me go come on. Wait, may I ask a question? Wait, me decide where. Okay. Big Lady J, please. The question I want to ask you, for example, say you get store now, you can't get workers. Now, your own customer, when they come buy something for you, now, you go here say your worker and that customer, they do Uboni business. If you come here, say the kind of Uboni business where they do that to bring you down. Lady J, question I want to ask you, who you go quarrel with? Is it your customer or your worker? Lady J, unmute yourself and answer that question.
Now workers now, or customer na stranger.
I work as
No, Mama, this question not be for you. Now, Lady J, want me answer that question.
Okay.
If you, Lady
na
J,
worker no.
Now see I'm for. Now he wrong. See I'm
Now
for.
workers,
Me na dey
workers.
talking name.
I'm muting now. You have to watch
A workers you know, a
Lady
workers.
J, now what you dey talk? Let me ask you this question. Say, for example, say you get store. In case you not hear whether they disturb. If you get shop, now your worker and your customer go dey do money talk when they want to bring you down. And the thing can leak. You go hear say your customer and your worker want bring you down. Who you go quarrel with?
And my workers. My
Your
workers.
worker be? You know why I ask you this question?
No.
was a worker with Enogie.
Yes.
Counselor was a gifter. It's like a customer. Counselor is like a gift. Is a gifter. Is a customer. So no, you know the quarrel with counselor. Counselor, many customers they wrong. All customers not the right, but the question that they tell we will be seller. They tell us say customers are right. When are they work for Mado? When are they work for Mado? They tell us say customers are all right, so that no face they sell our business. People they respect customers. It not mean say all customers they right. So customers they fuck up well. But based on say you will be seller, you want to try your possible best to win the customer heart. Make for still they come because if they bring money, can't give you. Did they hear me so? So A&O was a worker in that industry. So if this kind of thing come out, una whole A&O responsible. If we are going the whole customers responsible, it means they don't want to make the truth come out. Fair, we are not supporting Counselor. We know say many customers that they misbehave. They say so for A&O as a worker in that company, gonna be playing with doing some money level with customers, they need to question you. What will be your ambition? What will you fight for that? What if Enogie fought today? What will you be happy for? Will you be happy say Enogie fought today? Will you be getting joy? If Enogie drop you say you don't want to follow you do moderator again, or you don't want me to do moderator. If you want your sagara, come ahead, saga. Enogie you know say straight bullet you dey give am. You go know where you want stand. Enogie you know say this na straight bullet dey come so make you know where you want stand. But you dey do a corner way. Another one was pass. On your worst is say, so here if you are hearing me, now maybe sugusu. Now maybe sugusu. I don't fear anybody. I dey respect people. I don't fear anybody. Go ask question. I don't fear anybody. I go tell you the way it be because now only you be moderator beside there now. Now you now look at the old people take go do friend. You know use people they send me can't use Sherry to do friend. Sherry they send me flower now. Come and use Sherry do friend. You cannot do it. If now lion Sherry said give me yours now, you go look for Sherry if they do customer. They do friend. All the people sending them look a lion. Now you take do friend. Why you not go look for the same rules? Desire almost the same rules now. Making your call use and do friend. You want to say not the same rules?
Ubi amo.
They want to say Enogie platform don't the same rules. Why it can't be say he and ho not they use people with the same rules, they do friends. Now who they say lie you they do friends. Who are you talking to? Now sugu they hear. So Lady J, continue your talk.
Yes.
Lady J, continue.
A few things in my heart, pardon, priest, domo. Well, before he become a timekeeper and a PA, he was always there. He was a big supporter to Enogie. So now the way Enogie takes it, say he dey active, not be biased person, and he dey try. Now I make Enogie come put am for PA. Okay, don't see happen like that. Say not be PA again. Maybe the way Enogie take say bring all the money, they come smart. So yeah, I want go do nursing school. That kind of thing. They not be enemy. If he supposed to ever see the, if he says he's all this way, never watch any video when he be the thing attract and he's sweet and he like to contribute before, but Bayo said they don't drop her for PA. No one can talk all those things. So now Demi for blame man. No matter what, you go see the consultants, see client, and you did they your mind though. You don't see clients sometimes contribute. After they don't contribute, it go come down. The people will now be like, this gonna they do PA again, boy. She still did the live screen. You see the support is small, contribute small. But the way you can't stop one, it's complex. See what they do. You can't say quarrel day under between here and Enogie. Now there na gossip come the lead they come small before he come escalate like this. Also now the vessel now. But now maybe the thing pay now or they call
one question. Mama Nora.
Yeah.
Question I want to ask you for your man. You to say I would like you.
But they like me. I want to make her go.
Yeah.
Hate me. I don't know. I'm not there. I'm mad. I don't know.
This when Enogie tell Iyaho may leave, may step down. You think Iyaho is like you?
And before it maybe be the
suspect. Give Iyaho chance. Mama Nora, they give Iyaho chance.
Not before. People call they not before. People call they adverse Iyaho say. Na a woman, na you say me stop you. Na a woman. Maybe Iyaho be the verse of me. I don't know. Maybe entirely memo. And be na Mama Nora really adverse and don't get. But they don't know. Say I be innocent. I don't know one, no two. Now this my strength. Matter can't come out. Now the court no say Mama Nora was innocent. So Mama Nora don't know one, no two for inside. Oh, na Zadi, na my strength. Now he caused everything. Maybe Iyaho be the verse of me before. I don't know. Okay, even not be only Iyaho. A lot of people saga me that period say, na Mama Nora, na a woman. No, since more this one I say, not people who don't come me apologize to me say,
they wrong me, oh, they saga me when Zaddy new drop in, oh. People could because they think say na me advise Zaddy, no know say not be me. The way people test it things say na me, that so in I go test it suspect say na me. If he verse or ma or mo uria, how will I speak it? How te buna correct me, I beg. Or mo or ma.
Oh, okay.
Just
If you are old verse,
if you are old verse for that beginning, yes. You know wrong because you go they feel like wait till I can't do my man when my man go advise your husband say make he drop me. Wait till I can't do this woman. I be never wrong this woman before. I be never disrespect her before. Wait till I can't do. Maybe that all women must verse. Even me too. People call they tell me say, now your wife, how come they get one grudge for the woman? Say, wait till I can't do this woman. I be not the verse for this woman before. Till matter can't come out. They can't know say not be me or a woman not even know one not two before he may go come down. Okay, but waiting me to blame me since you are that not the quarrel. Once one you see they come. Epa, you just see climb up or you see on your live video. They support a no.
Wait, Mama Nora. So for your own man, the way you see everything here, is he happy with your husband?
One.
No, Mama Nora, I see your beast. So that's the way they happy with you. Now you don't know her for her.
No, he's not happy with Enogie. If you don't see Osana.
I
destroy Enogie finish before you will know the one way day.
I like woman. I like my pie.
Yeah, always the one instigating all this team and people because I'm not here. Now me they talk and now me go play juju. Yeah, but the one instigating all this top Enogie fan where they give Enogie money.
Person, people they work together before you know the person will come be your guy.
You started with your mobile.
Can't be Madonna, yo. So now that support, we not consider support. Never we talking for a live screen one say, when I see God they support a Enogie, we they there together. We for not be PA girl. We there together.
Mama Nora, now because Enogie na person will be say don't already strong for media. It was say Enogie not strong for media. The way that they fall around there, you yourself for the pity for your husband. You yourself for the pity for your husband. He not be saying Enogie a person will be say. God already bless us. Say this media, you get level for this media. God already bless us. Say this media.
I don't buy any cancel over.
That is why I make a example for now. Just now say, if you get shop, your customer and your seller, your worker, they do money you go quarrel with. Say na worker.
The reason why the priest they blame me. Let make you understand. The reason why the priest they blame me na isas. Cancel on the outsider. Cancel on the outsider. Outsider was beneath they say Ogama Settie. So isas carry matter go give outsider. Now outsider join and contribute. Because he go take advice for cancel.
Mama Nora, you know last question. Since when he and take come on live on a platform when I take dropper, now since that time. Your husband started to get bad for every corner. You get bad for when husband they get. It comes to different.
People when they call us say they not like him or moon drop her. I want to drop it. All of the your carry friendship go give you a now you cannot use the wisdom.
Yeah, we are looking for one place to enter Enogie.
You know what boss say give man you got where you own a problem, you own a devil, you own a bad person. What you do start to go do you.
So all of the carry your children can't be afraid to be all
of the carry friendship. All of the carry friendship go give you all of them. Even you say again, if I the priest again, an adulterous woman, adulterous. Again, he hates it but now he's not a friend to him.
This guy be that one.
Adulterous in a variety, adulterous in a no way. You
people they talk about.
She disliking but as quarter your day now if you carry friend she go give you now say self here. You know all of they are go but now they call they do I love her my sister.
My lady. You know why the vessel here, Mama Nora? Why the vessel here? When he are they with Enogie, he and the user in mad, they follow Enogie. Everybody see him.
Yes.
He and user in mad, they follow Enogie. He follow like brother.
Well.
But when he and start to the verse, now when they drop in They say also, and they drop in your call the verse. You know, because he lock up, not too verse. Now, when your husband can go bring 10,000 naira receipt come out, as he bring 10,000 naira receipt come out, Iyawo was not feel okay. This guy won't use this, they mock me. He won't use this, they bring me that. Forget say no control for social media. He say Iyawo, man, he the verse. Now, Sugu they talk so. Sugu walk one. Iyawo they watch me now. He knows not try to talk.
See and phone na Sugu they talk so. See and phone.
Iyawo knows what they talk so. Say not truth. Since when they not get gonna bring that 10,000 naira out, that's since that day. Now Iyawo cut change. Say this guy, you will know why they call me an Iyawo.
See and phone.
You will know why they call me Iyawo.
No, if na me only chance we give them, those people we dey against town, why they do those things? I will be bad person. As you drop say they carry friendship, they come. They marry wale. Meaning when I don't want me to be there before, let me come and they saga me. As I all come out now, all of them all carry friendship, go give Iyawo.
Iyawo, the friendship where they see, so Iyawo will respect that friendship.
They maybe no man.
Very happy for that friendship. You say? That friendship when my man and the talk say the couple give Iyawo. Iyawo was very happy for that friendship. Now when I know get not dead, say Iyawo, if they give Iyawo chance, he will go call for muscle platform.
Iyawo no go call. Iyawo na tortoise egui. Na no wetin be tortoise. Ome o egun aladia beto.
Iyawo no dey watch me. They know this is at the
See and phone. See and phone na tortoise.
Come on the platform, come Saga me say they approve for you.
Tortoise card. That is see
Since
and
you
phone.
left the Enogie platform, you are not happy. If you want me to Enogie settle
You know how many times we see you know how many times we see phone tell mama Laura say make it leave me alone. I will show you. I will tell you who I am. You know if you talk come out.
Okay. If Iyawo is angry that Enogie driver without not giving her anything, Iyawo should come and say Enogie, I need my percentage. Everybody will stand with her. Say Enogie, get that by way. Give us more percentage.
We're getting no Guania. That's no. Am I finished?
A percentage in go on now. I don't go. I don't go where you go now. I get no give
Okay, cancel.
This first way they tell me say iye nu kokoma na foolish. Who were sua where you gift the messia. Et we gift on na see. Me gbo fu we ba o na ta iye nu kokoma na foolish. Emi o gbo a sungu. Who dey ba wa.
Iye nu kokoma say conversation I leave the conversation.
Wa dey ba.
E we no say me na ta we cancel when they daily person no give out offend way. E no mo maybe routine and drop the PA no you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe or more when they daily person no dey come when I yo time
my sister when go me cancel on here when go me so children wa me elderly person o me so kind young people no wa me the way una go take get conversation go bless una BH mate
everybody share that young
we just free with that young girl. That is what counselor did. Counselor he be like, you know, taking I would say I senior and well was so free, was so free to her. They don't feel like say I mean reach upon you, I mean reach on your other side. Even some mama they seek for my opinion. You know, I ain't get well now. Yeah, go we allow. See what
you know, only different. You know, than 1 millimeter. Only a problem we many man me was it. A millimeter more. You know, do ya gossip. Yeah, we told the reverie only. I don't even or was it okay?
Yeah.
So now we are not speaking English anymore. There's someone that they speak English. No English. No English.
You calm down. You know, though, you may wait all year worst. You this one, no get but I will no get. Have I ever offend you, counselor? Not even everybody. What should take? You see, I should take being. Here, I was careful, baby. I will discuss. You might. Here, I will not let brain.
See, Lady J, you know that their mission now was Iyawo and Counselor. Two of them already conclude. Now they are ordered to go stop Asha. Make Aisha know the gift Enogie again. Now they are
No.
making the come make her knock.
But the prince, may I throw this bomb? The secret is that they don't talk and say they no go and no get platform again. Come say cancel betray from here. Oh, I call they come. My wait till they make live. I come and cannot get. After some more, after some weeks, now you go see the support. No, you betray me.
Wait.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, you say and cancel no speak English, everybody go carry everybody along. You say and cancel.
Yes. They don't plan say no go there again. They don't go there.
So cancel go taking they don't know.
Cancel they support in if day life, they always they support in start dealing on now. Cancel when they support in call the see for no get platform. Was like, not be me, you gonna say we not go call this platform again. No, you don't they go there and not they come again. Cancel they come. The couple like hatred now, call they use like you betray me. You tell me not go the support not again. You go the support and I mean they go there again. No, shit, don't let me go that platform again. You they go there. I mean like call lead to that, cancel and snitch. Now make they call and snitch. Cancel and snitch because the couple like they are two betray each other. They don't talk and say that they don't go there again and cancel on after some weeks you can't go back to Enogie again. Now that one comes next year.
You say so now in plan I make now no cancel before now trade no get platform no cancel.
Yeah, now true there.
Trade no get platform no cancel.
Yeah.
No season because you say they give line on there. People they give rose. Mark when they say the one where they pay me for inside say those one where they give rose. Why you not pack all those one? Why you not pack the one where they give rose? Why you come there after the one where they give lion? Wanna ask me that question?
Aisha, the reason why Aisha join, a lot of people they say Aisha they fight for councillor. Aisha they fight for councillor because na theory of the year Agba already numa. Theory of the night day. Aisha can't take the over. Oh, the councillor Mia Aisha can't take the over.
I beg you, ye Laura, no verse, no what talk about a platform.
You say me they speak English, I they speak Benin, mama.
Okay, sorry. No, not be me. I say now Enogie platform. I they give a councillor. I be they do councillor for Canada.
They do councillor for Canada. Councillor no be
okay.
Mama, now read councillor for Canada.
Yes.
So now councillor they like this.
Councillor for Canada.
I councillor for Canada
government. I will put call Canada government. They need to go and look at councillorship where.
They need to look.
I do they speak English. English now. Guy goes
Don't Prince, what me they talking? Why she not leave that voice note for Enogie phone? Why she can't delete them?
I beg, Una, good morning. She's not counselor in any Canada. Mama Nora, I don't know whether you dey hear me.
God bless my lady. I
greet you, Mama. Good morning. Counselor, they do now sales rep for where they say Okrika store. So now the people sales rep. Now the people be say if you go store, go buy things, and these things scatter for chef. Now that they arrange them for chef. Counselor is not a counselor in Canada. Counselor, they work for Salvation Army here. Neither they call them Salvation Army. Where Oyibo don't wear use clothes, go keep her for there. She go there, go they arrange her for chef. Now she they do. All those counselor thing, all those girls where they don't go this one.
My lady, I hope you are not saying anything with a threat. You are not saying anything with a threat.
Mommy Nora, never. That is bullshit.
Mama Nora,
tell her to show you an ID.
My sister, if you open your camera, most you they talk.
I know they open my camera, I know they open my camera. Tell her, say me she show you ID.
You cannot say you not go open your camera. Oh.
Mama, I know they open. She come and prove me wrong. She should show her.
Wait. Now look, Councillor they say, man, we are meeting. Go for that
one. Make I tell you, Don Prince. Now people rep for store. They call them Salvation Army here in Canada. They say use clothes for here where Oyibo don't wear. Yes, if you go store, say you go buy clothes. Normally now you go scatter clothes. Some go there another chef. Now she they do. Then she go there. She go come pick them up, come arrange them for the chef properly. Counselor is not a counselor. You're in Canada. Prove me wrong. I dare her to come up, show me her ID.
Canada, you there? You live in Canada?
I'm in Canada. I'm in Toronto, Canada. Tell her to show her ID. I dare her to show her ID. If she prove me wrong, I tell her that day for a pal. Like I say, if they born you well, send me your address. I'll pull up, come meet you. I know they joke, I know they brag.
You pull up,
I don't know her before.
The way you tell the talk and say, be like you
listen, I met her in a pal like the way a pal do this is your birthday. Immediately after the live stream, this particular Kansekia went to her own live stream. They say all the women were talk stream, all of them na dumbass. Say they don't know book. Say they door if they not door, therefore not they thought say what is your birthday do wrong. Yes, even that same day she lied. She said, oh, that they pay Canada children $800, and that is pure bullshit. That is a lie. I even commented. I said, Counselor, why you they lie? This is where me and you they stay. A child does not receive $800 here in Canada. The least a child could receive, depending on the age, the least at least $650 or $700 per child. She even attacked me that day for the live stream. She even attacked me. She's saying, oh, my husband buy me new Tesla, my husband pay cash, my husband train me for school, my husband pay $45,000 cash. Let me tell you, there's something here called OSAP, government funded grants. If you want to go to school, government will pay for your tuition. It's as if you are borrowing loan. You go collect the money. So after your tuition, if you don't graduate, you don't get work, then you start paying government back little by little. And let me tell you, that OSAP, you can take it up to 5 times. And if you get children, maybe say up to 4 or 5 children.
Mama dey here. Say blessing are true. Mama dey here.
Listen, please. If you get children, maybe you get 4 to 5 children, say you can't collect OSAP money, you can get up to like $50,000 in grants or $35,000 in grants to keep for your upkeep for you and your children. Yes. The only loan you are paying back, maybe
she go still give us our experience. So
yes. The only loan you are paying back is loan where maybe at least if you pay, depending on the course where you they read, you can pay loan back of $16,000, $14,000, but the grant you keep is about $35,000, $40,000, depending on the amount of kids that you have. I even attacked Canada for that in her own live stream. If you see the insult she pulled, insulting women, contributing on a part live stream that day, I was like, this is not right. This is wrong.
Okay, thank you. Wait, this lady, she lives in Canada. Mama Mudiani Muwaduhu. This is Mama. She lives in Canada. I believe she still knows some of all this issue. So Mama, God bless you for coming to our platform today.
God bless all of you now. I'm in Toronto, yeah, right? This lady where they claim that she be counselor, I know her because when I change money for party, I see her for party. So apart from seeing her party, I know her for Canada. And I know her. Yes, I know her and I know her story. She's not a counselor. So I don't really want to I don't want to
share the live stream. Let's go.
I don't want to interfere for what it concerns social media anymore because when I'm on so I just want them on my space. But everything where jobless they talk since this woman when they get jobless Aduro, she not lie. She did not lie. Canada not they pay $800. If not me I be a 30. That's the lie. So you know,
okay.
Like
wait,
I said,
Mama, may I ask you one question before you start? No vessel. This counselor, is she really a counselor in Canada?
No, as far as I can know, I reach. But she don't go to school overnight. Oh, but what do you mean know about that woman? I'm a counselor in Europe. That woman not counselor, nothing. She was doing PSW and after the David Thomas to ask who women own. I not make the don't listen. I has to ask ya win. We call it community work.
Mama, only Sarah Ijo.
Yes. Okay, I will don't need to go to Life Salvation Army. I cannot vehicle Caritas. I don't know that. But when I know this woman, she was doing PSW. You know, not pay the donors to ask community. You know, a community here, when us. But we are not here. What few us? That was when I know her. So whether she don't go upgrade, I don't know because even at Boji. But when I know her, because eventually you school over or online school there I work with counselor here, I don't know. But for what did I know about that woman, my counselor in Europe. But if she want to come and upgrade herself on Facebook or TikTok or don't take BMU, now business be down because a lot of people are living fake life on social media. But here I mean, when only they real life, they also don't want to live fake. Meanwhile, a lot of fake people are on social media here. Call a clear what they don't be. There are people that live on loan and credit cards in this country that I am. Like if the jobless in Taba, which is true. When you are going to school, man, why you school? I will not 3 degree. I will not stop you school. I pay by myself. I carry government loan to go to school. Me pay for because also a government of work. You make payment arrangement when the pocket you say. Imagine you understand. When I went to George Brown College, they gave me over $50,000 at that time because in Wigo while I was paying $1,008. They have to calculate all your expenses and they will give it to you.
Mama,
so that is government loan. It's like you're not getting what I'm saying.
Wait, no, listen, wait till my mother talk. Who said it?
I don't know.
Mama, 1 minute. I'm not going to
residential what?
Where
but the priest might send that to you. The priest said the egg way.
Yeah, send that for me, my brother. Come on, send that for me, my brother.
So now I don't say person
when they say they
card.
Put the card for
your residential counselor already card. Residential counselor
is PSW. That's PSW.
May I cancel your name? May I cancel your name? You cancel your name. Yeah, may I cancel? Then you cancel it.
People pray here when know everything.
Don't cancel the name. We go see everything. Go pull them up. Go pull them up. No,
you wait the
If you don't say you get
fake life.
If you don't say you get Canada, you watch us. They want to play water.
Jesus.
Put the name. Go and come out.
Don't priest. I'm a residential counselor. Una ye square DSW. Like my company, when you go to DSW and residential counselor, you work in a group home. Only mommy when you are a counselor or counselor. What are you talking about? I'm 17 years in Canada.
But that woman could lie. God forbid.
You can work at a residential counselor here the ID card in nowhere. Do you know what it is to be a counselor in Canada? I you say that they pay 800 for children. Why do you like about your bago boy? 800 for children. They cannot make money. I bet my come down. I ain't wait to come on digital lie, make people feel where.
So, mama, you confirm and now say the lady fed the washing ash. From there, the other one confirm
it's a good job. Don't get me. Oh, don't preach me. It's a good
job.
No,
it's not a good job. Nothing about it.
Yes, I'm just trying to let you know when healthcare worker. She was a healthcare worker, which a lot of people did. I also did it at a point in my life. Healthcare, no. So I think discriminating with no winner. But say you are a counselor. Yes, residential counselor is a group home work. You work in a group home, and if you get PSW, you can do it. But when you are saying you are a counselor, now you ask me show me the counselor in a fee. Well, you know. So you break it down for them where you are a healthcare worker. But when you are saying counselor, I won't be the office that one kind of big position. It's 1 year program. What you are compared 2 years in the EU? So I bet I want come down. Me they call they hide themselves for social media for
I
TikTok.
want Onisa. Don't preach.
Thank you, Mama. God will bless you for your contribution. We respect you.
Yeah. I'm student loan. Yeah, the yaga kabu social media. Student loan. Agbele mani buwa we mana. Yeah, the yaga kabu social media.
Mama, like we have me fake card, ID card, you have cancel. We write we talk about fake.
I can do it now. Yes,
Yes,
now.
Mama Nora. Yes.
I can fake my ID and send it to you now.
Yes. The invitation card is very already. They more phone me, man. I can do it and send to you.
You use ChatGPT to do it. Use ChatGPT to do it.
Yes.
They can do it now. It's normal.
But Mama, you talk just now say the one when you can say na residential council or so when they write. You still confirm and say that they see there for that side now.
Let the healthcare when I said talk just now. It's healthcare.
Now the same if they see me they look and the same thing na the talk.
No, they can't say anybody.
Healthcare
Mama,
Mama, take make it take picture of inside your office.
Residential council.
No, see the office.
That priest, I can go to any office and snap picture and send it to you. That priest, tell her to put the ID, the full name, and phone number present now. I can go and come out. Forget it.
But I'm not the liable because show me that I call it live fake life. I call it believe say make people the rest official that they live fake. I mean what they are the really fake life people. I don't get shooter. But how do I wear counselor? When you talk about you are a counselor, who break your head down say I be healthcare counselor. Healthcare counselor meaning you dey bath client, you dey go their house, give them medication, cook for them. Now you they do. Not be say counselor of a matter who at your office. Let them know, break it down. Break it down because man know that now they feel say everyone enter your office, they make that problem. Let them know say now healthcare you they do, who were client, who you wear that. Let them know. That's what you were doing. And we are here like system 17 years in Canada. A year next by 18 years in Canada. So nothing you want to tell me.
On social media. No get time to the laugh on social media.
This woman, if not be say this woman go the record, it go the gossip paper Enogie give them. It go the paper Enogie giving her. Okuna one ni me ya notice so ni me ya ready talking na okuna ya so ala ge pa Enogie. You may gift Enogie lion there. Okuna natana. Cancel na. Aisha pa gift de by no way adulterous no remi na. Any okpa gift Enogie lion.
Cancel never drop lion.
He never gift and lion one day. I never see her. Unless maybe say I not doing like that. They never gift her number 2. This counselor of 18, I should you bring a leg come out. Why I talk and fine say Oviere Maladia we do a brag where counselor do we maybe we any no ya like TikTok, you know. Counselor Sarah. Understand? Only the plain truth. We can no ya work back but we no ya gossip on one gossip anywhere we are the platform or get. Why do I leg here? Over a man self. Tell me, I don't give it away. My mother castle no comment is your all those people. I run for them. God forbid.
Mama Nora, I'll calm down now because I need to go drop my kids for school before I leave.
We are now they talk just now. Why not drop her now? Oh, moderator now, mother. Moderator, where go drop
that woman now?
Moderator, what get one now?
Now, good afternoon, Pardon, Mama Nora, good afternoon. It's not verse, na mistake.
Okay, send
request again, I beg, not verse though.
Me send request again, na mistake. So moderator I was having a second. That woman now I can't expose this counselor for us. Yeah, maybe go come again. So as I was saying, Mama Nora, why people they vex for counselor now? Counselor come as a gifter, but you come on go the gossip to here we be worker. Now here now chop the gossip. Two of them now the country who the next person for you to drag now Aisha. If we remove Aisha for Enogie body, you not go to see they give a line again. I will clear. This was their plan. But we will be the Enika, the Sugu way the social media. We not agree. Now we come and say we'll talk about this issue. There was no time. Since when you tell your man take good, now when you take that platform, as you come over there, your man not good again. So if you come back and they say, Enogie, I'm your friend, you don't know your friend. Now lie, man, I not believe her.
Pardon, Priso. Make me still talk one thing. This woman, this counselor, first of all, where as me tell look this woman never came as a gifter to a Enogie platform. She never came as a gifter. When me take notice this woman, and when it get one girl they call favor, when that girl, when they find mama for France, now this woman test how they appear. That's when I take notice her. She can say she go adopt the girl as her own daughter because she not get picking. So
Oh, she first they come before then. She first they come.
I know. Where she take fuck up, pardon, please. Where she take fuck up? As Enogie tell her, say me bring money, or he go confide in her. She supposed put in her, even though say her, tell her say she not let her they come Enogie platform again. She supposed to put tell her, say you know me as a mother and as they say.
Pardon, please check your WhatsApp well. Check your WhatsApp well.
Okay. Denora, you must send him a gift.
I will drop him my gift.
Thank
you, guys. Give me lion now. Mona, give me lion.
Let me see experience. What will motivate me? Everyone here, 2,000 plus the wash off.
Check your WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp.
Epa, I want to drop people when they talk. Mommy J, apart from Mama Nora, Lady J, and Celebrity Grandma, if you don't talk, I want to drop. No, Mama, you feel stay. I want to drop Mommy J and Vivian.
Now good afternoon. I beg, Mommy Nora. Now you, I want to talk to.
You want drop me? You want drop me?
Mommy Nora,
not drop me, oh.
No, Celebrity Grandma, no, not be
get what you talk for your video one day. Now I want to ask you a beg.
What it be that?
Concerning now.
People, I want to castle on my ID card come out to Mona see at castle ID card do. Mona wait. Castle ID card that one bring come out now. Mona see as a counselor in UK in Canada.
Study my gift.
Me wa wo ya we gbegbe o. Ya we gbegbe. What is going on? When they talk, I want to talk, make they talk. When I talk, make they talk. That not disturb me. No, talk, me not talk.
Don Prince. You professional or not professional? That one not my problem.
Blessing, wait, now Grace they talk.
Taya, okay. Now good morning. You know come on. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. You know come on. You know this work where they describe now. You don't first stay London, Abi. Now you me want to open your listing. This kind what they describe now, whether they work out to heart. You know, and they talk and so you understand that. You know, say some people for this time work what they do now, their head no they do the correct again.